Hi guys, I just got this new little boo-boo and I'm gonna unbox it. So the ones that I hope I get is lychee berry, sea salt coconut, and green grape, and the secret. This is hard to open. How do you... Oh, I got it. Where is it? It's green grape! Wait, am I correct? Yep, it's green grape. Where's the sticker? Hold on a second. There's no stickers?